La kwa social media umuke wavela njengoba sivela nje sikhuluma ngama political party ahlukene nezinto ezenzekayo kuma political parties ala eMzansi. Abantu baye bathola indlela yokuthi bakulinke ne political party thizeni. Mina I've been linked with a number of political parties. Not that I take offense ngalokho cha. Ngiyaye ngithandaze ngikhuleke ngicele ngithemba ukuthi lo muntu hopefully uzoyibona ivideo yami elandelayo. I want to talk about MKP on this video. Not everything is lovey-dovey ngo MKP. Baneyinkinga futhi eziningi kakhulu. Ngibona kuzoba nzima kakhulu now that we're heading to the national or to the local government elections. I don't think they are fully ready. I mean, I was listening to Gauteng press briefing. I don't know press briefing noma bekuyini lento ade beyenza but bekade ibizwe MKP yala eGauteng. iMKP yase Gauteng iraise ama concern amaningi but even though i-platform bekwe MKP Gauteng ama region amaningi ama provinces amaningi athole opportunity ukuthi express ama dissatisfaction awo nge-leadership ekhona kwa-MKP. Okubalwa phakathi nama-structures within the MKP izinto abangekho happy ngazo. And in my view, I think everyone was represented from amaciko to abantu abane-disability in MKP Women's League, MKP Youth League, Labour Desk. Everyone was represented. Bonke baveza ukungarecognizwa kushuthi baveza ukungeneliseki in terms of recognition. Bonke baveza ukuthi i-material ayikafiki like in terms of ama t-shirts ngoba kucampaignelwa no in fact ngoba kucampaign njengamanje basikhuluma nje kucampaignelwa ama local government elections lawa azothatha place on the 4th of November. Bonke baveza ukunganako nokunganakekelwa kwama structures even though majority of them bayamncoma unobhala baze bacula ke bathi une content kusho iMKP Youth League bathi unobhala une content kodwa kunezinto eziningi futhi unobhala ne-office lakhe abalekha kuzona. iMKP Youth League iveze ukuthi icela ama t-shirts akhuluma ne-youth akhuluma nge-youth because you cannot be talking to youth ekubeni ukhuluma engathi ukhuluma ngabantu nje in general. You must bear in mind that and take cognizance of the fact that labantu bacabanga ngendlela ethi ayihluku kunomuntu ucishe angithi over 35. MKP Women's League yakhala nge-recognition ukuthi aba-recognize nhlobo kuma-structures even when ku-announce whenever there is media briefing, whenever there is greetings, the revolutionary greetings, sometimes a speaker, whoever is standing in the podium, would have to be reminded at some point ukuthi hayibo kukhona njalo ne-MKP Women's League. Yayibona le nto le. I-Labour Desk icela ukuthi kuhlonishwane ikakhulukazi lapha ezinkundleni zokuxhumana even though be-acknowledge ukuthi kunama issues abanawo bona leadership ye Labour Desk kodwa bayazicommit ukuthi they are going to work together in preparation for the local government elections which engicabanga ukuthi into enhle. However ngicabanga ukuthi office lika nobhala actually nomsebenzi omkhulu okusamele liwenze uma ngibheka i-region ready kwa MKP ayikho as we speak ayikho. At least kuba mhlambe sikhomba 1 or 2 ama regional rate cha ayikho nhlobo ayikho. At least bonke bathi bahleli ku 20% in terms of readiness. Uyayizwa le nto le and kusesalelwe inyanga ngake sibheka kuma local government elections salelwe roughly inyanga ezu3 in like to be precise and to be honest isikhathi asinaso nhlobo. By now fuzuba at least ama preparations ahleli ku 80%. So my point is not everything is lovey-dovey. MKP inakho kuba bully whenever they are hosting a media briefing yabo. Isikhathi esiningi basuke sebezobhula umlilo osuke mhlambe usuke ngandlela thize. Ngizothanda nje nami kakhulu in terms of decision yabo, decision making structures zabo zishintsha njalo. Wathi upresident we-MKP wonke amandla azodicidwa i-national command at some point. Kwaphinde futhi wabuya futhi upresident wathi ama-decisions azothathwa office of the secretary general. Phinde futhi wabuya futhi wathi no, there's going to be a structure that will be solely deal with ama-decisions njalo njalo, and people must liaise with that particular committee or that particular structure. Usanda ukubuya ke last week wabuya wathi no, amandla yawadonsa kubo bonke ababuye beze la. Mina ikhona into engitshela ukuthi into yaxoxa uFloyd kwa MKP incane. Mhlambe njengoba nawo uFloyd washo wathi ubaba kanankinga kwa MKP, but abantu abanenkinga abantu abasondelene nobaba. Everyone lapha kwa MKP want access to ubaba, and ubaba being ubaba uzonikeza wonke umuntu access to yena. Akakwazi ukuncisha. I mean ubaba wawo wonke umuntu, ubaba wethu sonke akakwazi ukuncisha i-access to yena. Whenever you feel like you want to talk to him or discuss anything prominent about this country, politically, revolutionary, uzokunikeza, he will afford you an opportunity to talk to him. Now that sometimes kune negative impact in terms of MKP and how MKP is run. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe kuzomela kube into MKP ngempela elungisayo leyo ukuthi there's no directive, there's no direction in terms of kahle who's who in the zoo. In my closing, I want to commend uNhlamulo Ndlela, the former speaker of MKP, for not leaving MKP. Imagine if uFloyd Shivambu took the very same approach now. Wavele wangahamba kwa MKP, decide ukuthi uyoba an ordinary member as he promised to be. I mean, he said, uFloyd Shivambu said when he joined MKP, he said he's not going to be, he's not running. Rather, he's not running for any position. He's not looking for any position. Lucky for him, he was offered a very high position, which was the SG, and unfortunately, he didn't last long for whatever reason. Then Unyiko said he's not there for a position, and akanendaba nesikhundla. If kuguti bayamsusa esikhundleni, he will form part of a member or become an ordinary member njengabanye abantu. If kuguthi wathatha leyo approach ngempela ngicathi MKP ngabe kude, because behind the scenes ngabe uyayisiza on the ground MKP. Even though kukhona abantu ku MKP ababelieve ukuthi uFloyd didn't do right. I don't know, because asikho phela kwa MKP thina nathi we observing things from a distance. Mina ngincoma uNhlamulo Ndlela for staying. I mean simbonile ngenkathi iMKP izo introduce the newly joined members, including uMamzandile Gumede of eThekwini. He was sitting next to prominent leaders of MKP. That was a proof yokuthi he didn't leave MKP, and he was dressed up in the MKP regalia, which is something that I really commend ngaye. Ngifisa sengathi ngempela uFloyd took the same stand. Yeah, unfortunately, in my view, MKP lost a prominent leader lapha, and I still believe that it's never too late. Now, MKP Labour Desk on that Gauteng media briefing raised a very important point. Yokuthi kungangcofana kuma social media. Engathi ama social media or content creators engathi angasayina some sort of like a code of conduct mabezokhuluma nge-MKP. Ngicabanga ukuthi that will be a bit difficult mina ngokwami ukubheka. Because I mean we are living in a free country, kunento kuthi freedom of speech. Omunye umuntu angakhuluma nge-MKP onothi find ukuthi akayona member of MKP, angazi kodwa mhlambe they will find a way to regulate themselves. Angazi, maybe the office of the SG still need to look at that, but MKP Labour Desk was complaining about leyo nto leyo yokuthi ay ngathi kukhulu ukungcofana nokungahloniphani la ko social media. Yeah, but akuyona yonke into enhle nge-MKP and MKP